Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is about how to create such a flat spiral. Okay, so something here like this. So first I delete here everything, and here in the scene outliner press add and add a tube. So this is my tube. So first I change the radius, make it a little bit smaller, or so, and then I activate the profile. And then I edit the profile. So we need a open profile, and so I bring the profile to this position, and we need only two nodes here so that it is a flat, such a flat band. So backside, front side. So this is what we need. Okay, the next thing is we activate the spiral option. So, and here we can set a twist angle. And we can set an offset. So, the next thing is we need a second radius. So for the top, so there it becomes smaller. So now I change to the top view. So you see here, you can, I hope you can see it. Here you can control the inner radius, and this is the outer radius. And here in the spiral settings you can change your twists or the number of twists, like this. Okay, and here in the side view you see here something here like this. But we edit this. And here the topology, so we don't need so much. Yeah, I think here something here like this, and so like you want the topology, but it should look like this. So this is okay. And now we can validate this whole thing. You see here in your tools folder there's a project tool here, this one, project, and use the line option and use the front view here, and then use the tool. Sorry, I have to do it again. So, and then project here horizontal in a horizontal line. So wrong. We have to go back. Sorry, my fault. So you see here the band here is in this direction. We have to change the orientation of the band. First, this is important. So there's a rotate option, and so here we can rotate the band so that it's flat orientated. So like this here. And then back to the project tool, validate, and now here I use now the line and project this whole thing flat to the ground. Okay, next step is use mask. Tap here on the viewport and extract the whole thing. So here divisions is 2. There's no smoothness at the moment, and only I set a height. So we can control here the height. And then press extract. Yoo-hoo. And the next thing we have to do. So we have to delete here some faces here. this faces and the inner faces here. So here. And I use here cell mask, the cell mask tool, and I mask here this. So first here's symmetry active. I like this. And like this. Then change to the height tool and tap here on the faces, so like this and like this, and then press delete. So now we can clear the mask. Okay. You see here, this connected button is important. So when you press here on the top and on the bottom, I don't know at the moment why is there a mask. Now it works. So, and now delete this faces, and the last one is this one. So I go back, and here you see connected thing here. This button is sometimes important when the face group is active. So you have to check this button here. And then delete here also this. So you have to delete all the faces you don't need. So this is the rest of the spiral. We only need this flat band. And then you can use the mask tool here, mask, and mask your spiral, and then extract it with a height. So like this. So you have now control over the thickness of the thing, and also when you use the gizmo, you can scale this and and change here the height. So you can create such things here. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.